Hello viewers, myself Pallavi Kaishya. I am a faculty from the Department of Professional Studies, Dispur College, and a research scholar under Assam Downtown University. So today I have come up with a topic. It's a very important topic for everyone. The topic name is Skills over Degrees, What Builds a Successful Career. So let us come to the first slide. Here are 5 simplified bulletin points on the skills over degrees, what truly builds a successful career. You can see in the slide. In today's world, learning new skills continuously and adapting to the change is the real key to long-term career success, no matter what degree you have. Modern employers are focusing more on practical skills like communication, teamwork, problem solving, and digital knowledge rather than only looking at educational qualifications. Many successful people, like entrepreneurs and tech leaders, build their careers by developing strong skills even if they didn't finish their degrees. Degrees are still important for certain professions, especially in fields like medicine, law, and engineering, where formal education is required. Skills show your real abilities and how well you can apply knowledge, while a degree mainly proves you have completed a course of study. So, it's very important. Knowledge without skill is not that much important. How skills over knowledge is important. Skill is a very necessity part of a life. Skills help you to do a job better. Employers look for what you can do, not just your degree. You can learn skills anytime, online and offline. People with good skills get more job opportunities. Skills help you grow faster in your career. Next, we have come to the content introduction, what truly builds a successful career, objectives, why skills are important, soft skills, which is an essential part, key skills employer use for, industry demand for skills, and then lastly we will look for the conclusions and the recommendations. Now let's come to the introduction part. In today's fast-changing competitive world, the idea of what makes a successful career is evolving. For many years, having a college degree was seen as the surest path to a good job, respect, and financial security. A degree was considered proof of knowledge and ability. However, times have changed. Employers today are looking beyond just the certificates and university names. They want people who have real practical skills, people who can think critically, solve problems, communicate effectively, adapt to the new technologies, and bring fresh ideas to the table. A person's ability to learn, grow, and apply knowledge in the real situations matters far more than what is printed on a piece of paper. In this presentation, we will explore why skills are now seen as more important than degrees and how focusing on building strong skills and open the door to exciting opportunities and a successful future. Now, let us see why skills are so important over degrees. Skills show what you can actually do, not just what you know from study. Employers value practical skills like communication, problem solving, and teamwork when hiring. Strong skills help you adapt to the new challenges and technologies in the fast-changing world. Skills allow you to grow your career independently, even without formal degrees or qualifications. Building and improving skills increase your confidence, creativity, and chances of long-term success. Now, let's come to the very essential part and very vital part in our career, that is soft skills. Soft skills are the personal qualities that help you work well with others and handle different situations. Examples of soft skills are like communication, teamwork, problem solving, creativity, and adaptability. Soft skills are important in every job because they help you connect with the people, manage the tasks, and solve challenges. Unlike hard skills and technical skills, soft skills are harder to measure but are critical for career growth and success. Employers mostly look for the soft skills because they show how well you can fit into a team, lead, and build positive relationships at work. The employers demand of very important things, that is communication skills, problem solving skills, teamwork and collaborations, adaptability and flexibility, leadership skills, critical thinking, time management, technical or digital skills, creativity and innovations, and emotional intelligence. So, these are the very important essential parts of soft skills, which is very required in today's current scenario where the employers want the students or the professionals to adapt to this kind of soft skills. And now comes what industry demand more. Rapid technology growth has increased the demand for digital and technical skills across all industries. Industries prefer candidates with practical experience and strong problem-solving abilities over just academic qualifications. Soft skills like communication, adaptability, and leadership are highly valued in almost all the industry. Continuous learning and upskilling are necessary as industries evolve, new tools and methods emerge. Creative thinking and innovations are in demand to help the business stay competitive in the changing global market. Now let's come to the conclusion part. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing world, skills have become the true foundation of a successful career. While the degree still holds a value, especially in certain fields, employers are increasingly focusing on what a person can actually do rather than what is written on a certificate. Practical skills such as communication, problem solving, adaptability, and leadership are now essential for growth and success in almost all the industry. Building and continuously improving the skills gives individuals the flexibility to adapt, innovate, and lead in their careers. In the end, it is not the degree alone, but the skills, expertise, experience, and willingness to learn that truly determine the long-term career success. So in Discovery College, we also run certificate course of the soft skills. The certificate course, namely, is job interview and resume writing skills, where the students get a practical exposure on the real-time interviews, the mock interviews regarding the soft skills, how to communicate, everything in detail. So this is the certificate course for the 3 months, and hope everyone joins. Apart from your academic qualifications and the degree certificates, we also give enhancement for the practical exposure, which is really needed for the industry demand. Thank you very much.